In this video, you'll learn how to merge accounts on Salesforce in just a few minutes, so you can keep your CRM clean, organized, and free of duplicate records. First, open your browser and sign in to your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the right permissions to merge accounts, since this action is usually restricted to admins or users with edit access. Next, navigate to the Accounts tab in your Salesforce dashboard. Use the search bar at the top to find the duplicate accounts you want to merge. You can search by name, industry, or any custom field. Now, open the master account, which is the one you want to keep. From the account page, click the Merge Accounts button in the Action menu, or use the Find Duplicates option to start the process. After that, Salesforce will show you a list of similar accounts. Select up to 2 duplicates to merge with the master account, then click Next to compare the field values from each record side by side. Once you're at the comparison screen, choose which information to keep for each field. Click Merge to finalize the process. Salesforce will combine the records into one, preserving related data like contacts and opportunities. And that's it. Your Salesforce accounts are now merged, and your CRM is cleaner and more organized than before.